Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to do a relaxing and effective facial on men's skin. Whether it's for your partner, friend or yourself, this routine is very effective to rejuvenate the skin and bring that natural glow. So let's get started. Before starting the facial, always wash your hands and remove any rings so that there is no scratching or irritation during the facial. Now I wrap a towel around the shoulders to protect the clothes and place a headband to keep the hair away from the face. I'll begin by cleansing the face to remove dirt, oil and impurities. Massage it in circular motion to boost blood circulation and soften the skin. I've already started the steamer while cleansing the face. This helps open the pores early and makes the entire facial routine more effective. Make sure to massage the cleanser gently for about 2 minutes. I'm showing here faster so that video doesn't get too long. After that, just wipe it off with a damp towel or cotton pads or gauze to leave the skin soft and clean. Next is exfoliation. This helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores and smooth the texture. Be gentle, especially if he has sensitive skin. Focus on areas like the nose, chin and forehead. I'll keep the steamer on until the exfoliation step. Since steam softens the skin and opens the pores, the exfoliation should take 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, be gentle and don't over exfoliate. Too much can irritate the skin instead of helping it. Gentle circular movements are best to stimulate the skin without irritation. Scrubbing is done. Now I'll place warm towel over the face. This helps soften the skin, open the pores and makes extraction easier and less painful. Plus it's super soothing. Always make sure to leave the nose and mouth area open so breathing is comfortable. I also unfold the towel a little more to cover and soothe the neck area for extra relaxation. After that, I start uncovering the face. I begin by gently wiping around the eyes first and then move on to clean the rest of the face. For the next step, I cover the eyes with soft cotton pads for comfort, and with the help of an LED mirror, I carefully extract the blackheads and whiteheads. Once the extractions are done, I gently apply toner. This helps calm the skin and minimize the pores. Make sure to cover the entire face evenly, including the jawline and forehead. Now comes the most relaxing part, facial massage. I take a small amount of cream in my hands and warm it slightly before applying. This makes it easier to spread and feels very relaxing on the skin. I start with gentle upward strokes on the forehead, easing tension and promoting relaxation. Forehead massage also stimulates blood circulation, which can soften the appearance of fine lines and promote a natural glow. Next, I massage around the eyes using soft circular motions. Always remember, less pressure is needed here. Eyebrow pinching also stimulates pressure points that can relieve eye strain and give a refreshed feeling. Moving to the cheeks, I apply gentle pressure and massage in upward-outward strokes. I also focus on pressure points around the cheekbones and temples to relieve tension and stimulate circulation. Now I'm focusing on some important facial pressure points. Including these pressure points during massage not only feels relaxing but also enhances the effectiveness of the facial. I make sure to massage near the ears, the neck, and even the back of the neck. These areas are great for releasing tension and improving blood flow. Pressure points along the neck and base of the skull help relax tight muscles and enhance the overall facial glow. To finish off the massage, I'm using gentle patting motions. This helps the skin absorb the remaining cream or product fully. Always keep the pressure light. The goal is to wake up the skin gently, not to irritate it. Now I'm placing the cold towel on the face and leaving it for about a minute. This helps to close the pores and calm the skin. After a minute, I gently uncover, starting by wiping around the eyes first and then moving to the rest of the face and neck area. The video is in fast forward mode, but make sure you take your time and apply gentle pressure while doing this. Now time to apply the face mask. I leave it on for about 15 minutes so the skin can fully absorb its benefits. I like to place cucumber slices on the eyes because they are very soothing. 15 minutes are over. Now it's time to remove the mask. I gently wipe it off using a damp gauze to ensure the skin is clean. To finish, I place a cold towel over the face one last time. This helps remove any residue, tightens the pores and leaves the skin refreshed. After removing the mask, I apply toner to maintain the skin's pH balance and prepare it for the next step. Wait for at least 20 seconds after applying toner, let it absorb and then apply a face serum suited to the client's skin type. This helps target concerns like hydration, brightening or anti-aging. To finish the facial, I apply a nourishing moisturizer to lock in all the benefits from the previous steps. Then I apply sunscreen to protect the skin from UV damage, ensuring it stays healthy, hydrated and glowing throughout the day. Finally, I remove the headband and give gentle upward strokes on the forehead, pressing a few pressure points to release tension. I also remove the towel from the neck and shoulders, revealing a healthy glowing skin. That's it. A simple and effective facial for men you can do at home. If you found this helpful, please like, comment or subscribe.